So guys, without wasting any time, so let's jump into the video. So guys, in this video I will be providing with some config files which will help you to achieve the maximum FPS. So first open the file manager of your phone, as I am using the ZArchiver. Now go to the download folder. Here the download folder. Go to the download folder. Now go to the folder where you save the file. As I am going to the folder. Now simply extract here. Guys, you will see the two folders. First copy this folder to the Android folder, as I am doing. Here's the Android folder, simply copy it. As you see, here's the folder. Now go back and go back to the download and go to the folder where you saved it. Now open this file and simply click three dot and click multi-select. Now select this three file to the download device storage, Android folder, and to Android 120 FPS or 120 Hz. As we have done this, now you can achieve the maximum FPS in any game. As you can see, as I am showing the proof that I am getting the greater FPS. As you can see the FPS bar from here where I am starting the game. As you can see that I am getting the higher FPS. As you can see here, I am at the 60 FPS. Without any lag, my game is running. Guys, you can also do this and achieve the maximum FPS by doing this. Guys, if you like the video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.